This video is 100% AI generated. Everything from the voice, the images, and the words I'm speaking right now. It was even automatically scheduled and uploaded. How? With autoshorts.ai. Let's dive into creating an engaging video series. First, identify your passion or niche. Choose a topic that genuinely excites you, as your enthusiasm will resonate with viewers. Next, research your audience's interests. What do they want to learn or be entertained by? Use social media, forums, and comments to gather insights. Once you have a topic, brainstorm subtopics or themes that will keep your series fresh and engaging. Think about creating content that can evolve over time, so viewers will return for more. Organize your ideas into a cohesive structure. Consider starting with an introduction episode to set expectations and generate intrigue. It's also important to establish a consistent style and format for your series. This helps create familiarity for your audience. Finally, leverage tools like autoshorts.ai to automate your video creation and posting process. This way, you can focus on refining your content instead of logistics, ensuring your series remains engaging and consistent.